It's a video of a Charmilles Roboform 40 CNC. Let's see. So what are we doing now?
Well, I'm just going to run a program to rotate the C-axis on the head.
Oh, good.
And then tool change. The door is going to have to be closed.
Okay.
It's got a
Micro switch there. Yeah, I see. That's your C-axis, or is it just it's orienting?
Yeah. Rotate back to 0. Align itself with a tool change.
Okay, great. I guess it goes up so high because you can have some pretty long tools.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to where?
Yeah, where it was. Right. Okay. And is there anything else you can show me, or are there like are there other screens?
Yeah, you got.
You got a graphics screen, or?
Yeah, but it just shows you the moving. Up here is graphics, information, and execution. So when you're running a program, you can either look at your programs. This screen will show you how well the machine is burning. This screen is the location the machine is at. If you have any errors, or this is where that's all remembered. The modal state, this will tell you which tool is in the head. Tool number 20 is in the head. What the offset of that tool is, where the machine position is. That's your information. You're on your execution key. You press F1, you can run a program. F2 will show you your parameters. How you can go single block, command by command, optional stop. ENG is English, stuff like that. Dry run speed. When the machine measures a part with the probe, it moves 20% of its full speed. That's what that means there. Go back, here's your generator parameters. When a machine is running, these parameters here show what your on time is, your off time, and your pulse. Power levels on time, A, that's your power level, on time, off time. R and U are your pulse. Those are adjustable there. Generator running, active, and then these are your measuring parameters. Where if you had a reference ball in there, a tool offset, these are all the different cycles you can run. You can measure a reference ball, a tool offset. You can measure the outside of something. If you want to measure the corner of a part, that's an option. The center is just dropping down inside something and it moves on the X and Y. And the center on a 45 will move on a 45 inside a part. You can measure an edge. You can center just on one axis on the X or just on a Y.
Is there a screen that shows the hours?
Yes, there is. That is service. That's your service. And a machining time, 4,345 hours.
How old is this machine?
I believe it's in 95.
He was very little.
Yes. The serial number plate on the side has the year on it.
Oh, does it?
Yes.
Okay, maybe I'll take a picture of that.
Serial number. Oh, it's down.
It's down.
And it's a 295. Oh, good. We bought it new. So it's been here the whole time.
Great.